licking my ears. Fuck yes! Yeah. Oh my god, first fish on. Yeah. Yo, fuck oh my god, the skunk is out of the fucking boat. Oh fuck my god. Yo. Hell yeah, dude. Hell fucking yeah. Oh my god. What? Bass of the season. Let's fuck yes. Oh my Yo, it literally, so it hit it, it went doop doop, and I was like, what? Like it felt, oh my god, yo, look at that. Yeah, now I gotta throw on a netty. Take one out of my bag, take one. I got one. I'll bet, yeah, I gave you a few. Damn, hi. Just, so, it's harder when they're juveniles. He's gonna be fine. But close the mouth. And then you pinch the tail? If the mouth line is behind the eye, it's a large mouth. If it's in front of the eye a little bit, then it's spotted. Oh, really? Yeah, that's how you determine the species. Largy. Get that sand off him. Fucking awesome. Hell yeah, dude. KJ! Fat possibility. Yes, to them it is. I haven't thrown something that looked like this since the summer. Look around, throw your back on. It's on. What? It's on. Oh. I gotta piss though. I'll run. I'm gonna run, piss, come back. I might start. I heard that. I've never had. What? You got something? No. I just got it out. Yeah. Nice. No, yeah, right there's a bunch of branches and shit, so careful. Not my favorite bait. Nah, I know. That's how I felt when I lost the fucking all matte plopper. I was like, no shot. I'm gonna do something stupid, but I feel like it might work. Am I still recording? Yep.
Look at all the fish jumping out there. See where that tree is? Watch underneath that. No, not over there. Over there. Look. See them?
Oh shit, yeah.
Jumping. Right there, head up. Oh, you heard me.
Oh.
Probably happening is the bass are probably facing the water. That really is
Z-man. They say it works pretty good for bass, so I'll try it out. Or pickerel, whatever's biting.
Oh, I had the fucking...
You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Leave it out.
My first thought, you're like, oh.
Nah, literally. Honestly, I always forget that you fucking have that thing.
Got it so that when we do catch 10 pounders, it's like...
We can prove it, yeah.
Yeah, how...
Okay.
That bird's making fun of me. You think that shit's funny?
It's called bird shot for a reason. Nah.
Kid Mask today with the tax expert.
I don't care, Turbo Cats.
I
Just
highly.
for your situation. They'll do your taxes from start to finish. And
I
you can
doubt.
work with the same
I
expert
doubt.
Year after year.
I was thinking about throwing a
Tax life
frog because it's like a lot slower to throw.
Nah, I heard that. Where was that? Oh, KJ. All right, I'm throwing a frog. You know what else I brought? The spider.
Spider.
I feel like this time of year that would go fucking hard.